As Dean of the Graduate School, I congratulate you on completing your graduate degree. This video will show you how to properly wear your commencement regalia and what the colors of commencement signify. As you may know, academic regalia have a long history, and each piece of your gown helps to reveal the wearer's education and ranking. Let's begin by learning how to properly hood yourself. First, during commencement, you will notice students wearing a variety of hood colors. These colors indicate the academic discipline of the student, and each discipline has its own color. When you first receive your hood, if the colorful side of the hood is showing, then it's inside out. So you want to reverse that so the colors are now on the inside and not showing. Graduate hoods have a button on the inside, about halfway down the hood. Make sure that your clasp is open so we can properly get the hood over your head without knocking your cap off. You'll notice a loophole at the front of the hood. This shows the front of the hood, and we recommend wearing either a shirt with a button or having some kind of a bobby pin to help, as this loop will take some of the pressure off your neck when you're wearing your hood all day, and it makes it much more comfortable. Lastly, wear your cap forward on the top of your head and ensure that your tassel sits to the left of your cap. The placement of your tassel signifies your completion of your bachelor's degree. You may remember, if you went through undergrad commencement, the moment when we moved the tassels to the left. You do that once and it stays there forever. Again, congratulations on your accomplishment, and I look forward to celebrating with you at commencement.